Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో చూస్తున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ తో షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసి ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. దాంతో నేను చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు చేసే ఒక్క లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ నాకు చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పబోతున్న క్లాస్ డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ పార్ట్ 5. మరి మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్ చూద్దామా? ఫస్ట్ బిట్, which of the following is not one of PowerPoint's view? Option A, slideshow view. Option B, slide view. Option C, presentation view. Option D, outline view. Answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ C, presentation view. Second bit, a byte consists of option A 1 bit, option B 4 bits, option C 8 bits, option D 16 bits. Answer వచ్చేసి 8 bits. 8 bits equal to 1 byte. Third bit, which of the following device have a limitation that we can only store information to it but cannot erase or modify it? Option A, floppy disk. Option B, hard disk. Option C, tape drive. Option D, CD-ROM. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, tape drive. Fourth bit, identify false statement. Option A, you can delete files in recycle bin. Option B, you can store any files in recycle bin if you ever need. Option C, you can increase free space of disk by sending files in recycle bin. Option D, you can right click and choose empty recycle bin to clean it at once. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, you can increase free space of disk by sending files in recycle bin. Fifth bit, Microsoft Windows is an dash. Option A, operating system. Option B, graphical program. Option C, word processing. Option D, database program. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, operating system. Sixth bit, a small part of taskbar that has icons of background running application is. Option A, start button. Option B, quick launch. Option C, taskbar. Option D, system tray. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, system tray. Seventh bit, which is not an external command? Option A, edit. Option B, xcopy. Option C, sys. Option D, none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, none of the above. Eighth bit, pushing an element in stack is. Option A, removing an element from stack. Option B, searching an element in stack. Option C, adding an element into stack. Option D, none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, adding an element into the stack. Ninth bit, which of the following data structure is non-linear type? Option A, strings. Option B, list. Option C, stacks. Option D, graph. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, graph. 10th bit, which of the following statements is true concerning subqueries? Option A, involves the use of an inner and outer query. Option B, cannot return the same result as a query that is not a subquery. Option C, does not start with the word select. Option D, all of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 11th bit, the minimum number of edges connected cyclic graph on n vertices is. Option A, n minus 1. Option B, n minus. Option C, n plus 1. Option D, log 2n. Answer వచ్చేసి Option A, n minus 1. 12th bit. Traversing techniques of a graph is option A, BFS, option D. Option B, DFS, option C, both A and B, option D, none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి both A and B, BFS, DFS. 13th bit. Traversing a binary tree, first root, then left and right subtree is called dash traversal. Option A, pre-order, option B, in order, option C, post order, option D, none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, pre-order traversal. 14th bit. A full binary tree with n non-leaf nodes contains dash. Option A, log 2 n nodes, option B, n minus 1 nodes, option C, n plus 1 nodes, option D, 2n plus 1 nodes. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, 2n plus 1 nodes. 15th bit. The following are functions of DBMS excepts. Option A, creating and processing forms. Option B, creating database. Option C, processing data. Option D, administrating database. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, creating and processing forms. 16th bit. Dash is the earlier name of Java. Option A, Oak. Option B, Basic. Option C, C. Option D, Perl. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, Oak. 17th bit. Which of the following is a method having same name as that of its class? Option A, finalize. Option B, delete. Option C, class. Option D, constructor. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, constructor. 18th bit. Which of these operations is used to allocate memory for an object? Option A, malloc. Option B, alloc. Option C, new. Option D, give. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, new. 19th bit. Which of these keywords can be used to prevent inheritance of a class? Option A, super. Option B, constant. Option C, class. Option D, final. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, final. 20th bit. Which of this class is super class of every class in Java? Option A, string class. Option B, object class. Option C, abstract class. Option D, array list class. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, object class. Thanks for watching.